we're gonna go and okay, here we go, me and Yan. There's Mommy Del. Hi, yes? Yes. Yeah. We're here now inside the park and we're gonna go in. So hot. Ang akong ilok, guys. Purting singutas akong ilok. So this is what the park looks like here in the front. So we're still waiting. I have my tickets here.
Hey, you miss?
Some rides or okay. We're now here waiting in line. Mason here and Maridel. So we're gonna ride here in the back. He's able to ride now with his height. We're getting more. Are you not scared? Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna go right now, guys. Here we're waiting. Mountain. Ang hirap eh. Nasa bukid kami, guys. We're gonna go to this house over here. We're here at the Crooked House. Yan is here. Hi. Here we go.
Let go.
So tiny. You scary? So this is the stairs. It's closed, Yan. We cannot go in. Ang ilok. Grabe yung init, guys. Ang gwapo lagi na yung camera. Woo! It's getting hot and hotter. We are here at 11 something. And now it's past 2 o'clock. So, it's kind of hot outside. We went to the zoo. Taking a break for Slurpees. Times like this, you need Slurpees, right? Slurpees is your best friend. At the barn, Cebu family, here's our clan. Our clan? This is our clan. See? We have a message here. It says, yes, I am a cow. I am a type of cow called a Zebu. Zebu? Zebu? So here. So guys, here. Mason is there. He wants to go there. So, nandito kami ngayon sa next to the barn. Natawa ako sa barn, guys, kasi merong ano ba, parang siyang cow na different kinds of cow and it's called Zebu. Meron na pala tayong angkan. Dito lang kami sa shade ngayon. Mason is playing with a book over here. Okay. Mason wants to share with you.
I want to go to the store.
Okay, we're gonna go.
I want to go to the other store. They're having unicorns there.
Yeah. The carousel. There you go. Mommy Dell and Mason is riding there right now. Ride na sila dyan. Meron pang photobubble dito. So, ayan, tapos na. It's just a very short ride. So, ayan. We're done. And so, we stayed here for like 4 hours straight. So, we had a good time. And I think this will be our last ride. We're gonna go to the store here. We're gonna go get some souvenirs kasi Yanyan wants to buy something. In the store. Look at this one, guys. Parang cute, no? Candy pala siya, oh. Parang siyang rainbow candy. Yan. Tapos may stuffed toy siya na may kasama. Ang cute. Ano lang tayo, picture lang tayo dito. Diba? Ganda. Madaming, ano, guys, mga laruan for kids. You know, very colorful. Pero dito talaga type ko. Yan. Maganda siya. Very colorful. Pa dito. Cups, ganyan. Toy, doon, Little Mermaid, yung ganyan. Normal na, ano. Mostly talaga mga pang, ano ba. I just got the ref magnet, tsaka, ano, little small car. Para kaya yan. So, I guess this is my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be seeing you in my next